This video provides information on the two ways that you can receive your reemployment assistance benefits payments. Reemployment assistance is just Florida's way of saying unemployment compensation. You will be asked to choose your payment method during your reemployment assistance application. You can choose to have your benefits deposited into your bank account, or you can choose to have them deposited onto a Ways to Go debit card. If you choose to have your benefits deposited into your checking or savings account, you will need to provide the routing transmit number associated with your bank account and then verify your bank's name by clicking Verify. Once your bank is verified, you can enter your bank account information. If you choose to have your benefits deposited onto a debit card, once your claim is established and determined payable, a Ways to Go account will be set up in your name and a prepaid debit card will be sent to your mailing address. It may take 7 to 10 business days for your card to be delivered. Please note that fees may apply when speaking to a Ways to Go customer service representative, when getting cash through an ATM, when checking your balance at an ATM, and when getting a replacement card. You'll receive a fee schedule when you receive your card. If you have previously been issued a Ways to Go debit card, it is valid for 3 years from the initial issue date, and your previous card will receive deposits from your current claim. If you want to change how you receive your benefit payments, you can no longer do this in Connect. To protect your account, DEO now requires that you call them. The representative will verify your identity and then assist you in making this change to your account. If you need more help with your reemployment assistance, we encourage you to reach out to your local public library. Public libraries can help with many things, including letting you use a computer, printer, copier, scanner, or fax machine. Some libraries also have staff available who may be able to help guide you through the application process. Find your local library at myfloridalibrary.com. You can also contact the Florida Department of Economic Opportunity for assistance. We hope that you found this information useful. Visit our YouTube channel for more videos on applying for reemployment assistance benefits in Florida.